Hello, my name is Brian Hill. I am the Fairfax County Executive. They say you start growing old when you stop pursuing your dreams. While none of us can turn back time, Fairfax County wants to be a place where we can dream big and have the opportunity to achieve those dreams, even as the years move forward. To help us do this, Fairfax County, as well as the cities of Fairfax and Falls Church, are launching the 50+ Community Survey. In February, thousands of adults will be randomly selected to complete a survey that takes a look at their experiences, lifestyles, and perceptions of aging in Fairfax County. I ask that you take some time out of your busy day to answer some of the questions related to living in Fairfax. Your feedback is critical as we develop our strategies to support you. Please follow our progress and find additional ways to share your comments and suggestions at fairfaxcounty.gov. Just use the search tool to look up 50+ Community Survey. We look forward to hearing from you and appreciate your contributions to continuing our friendly community that supports all ages in Fairfax County.